This is a KMG Vibratory Conveyor. This is how to tune. The first things that we'll look for is the amplitude to make sure you're reaching maximum amplitude of 4.5. The next thing we will do is go around to the controller to do a test tune. You press the M, this moves the cursor and you select setup. Enter button here is to select enter and you select tune. You press enter, enter again, ensure the trough is empty because you need to do this while it's empty. M to move the cursor to continue, enter, it will do a test tune. This is showing us an increased stiffness on the tuning of 4072. This needs to be around 3880. I'm going to use this spring at the back as it's easy access. It doesn't actually matter what spring you change. On the controller it's saying increase stiffness, so what we're going to do is increase the stiffness of this spring to a white, which is a 12 ply, and this at the moment is an 11 ply. I'm going to use a nut runner, which is M8 bolts, 13mm socket. You can examine the leaf spring. If it's in good condition, there's no reason why you can't keep the spring and use it for a future tune. We're still in the tuning menu. You select enter and exit. You then select test tuning, enter. Ensure the trough is empty, which we know it is. Select M to move the cursor to continue, press enter. Now doing it. We're now at 3902, tuning acceptable. There is a bracket between 3880 and 3980. You want to be as close to 3880 as possible. 3902 is more than acceptable.